let me read it out one by one. Uh, what Ranjana has written, home loan, uh, all you need to know, home loan at cheapest rates, home loan at attractive prices. Okay. Uh, Aditya says compare home loans interest rate of all banks, lowest home interest rate starts at 7.50, new home loans interest rate after recent RBI reverse repo rate reduction by 40 basis points to 4. Chaitanya, apply for home loans. Key features of home loans plan, documentation required to apply for home loans. Okay. Apply for home loans at interest, lowest rate of interest, big savings uh, on total housing loan cost, funds provided to an individual entity for purchase, construction, extension, and renovation. Okay. Cost of home loan, things you should know before getting a home loan. Get a home loan at lowest interest rate. Apply for home loan at cheap. Okay. Compare home loan plans of all banks. Okay. Okay, fine. A lot of people have written it. Just couple of things to each one of you. If you have asked me to write it, then what could be the heading? H1. H1 heading is the most important heading that tells about this page. Okay. So this page is about home loans. So you can you can write home loans. All you need to know about home loan features. You can write home loan hyphen features, specifications, comparison of all banks. So that heading itself covers a lot of things. H1 defines what it is. Second heading could be comparison of all banks, uh, comparison of interest rate of all banks, home loans. Okay. Third could be features of home loans. Fourth could be limitations of home loans. Fifth, down payment required of home loans. Sixth, seventh could be eligibility for home loan. Okay. Uh, how you can convert your, how to get the cheapest home loan. Okay. Or get the home loan at the lowest rate of interest. Okay, these kind of headings should be there, but you are writing headings where it will be difficult to write content about it. Okay, it would be difficult to write content below it. Like compare home loans is fine, but it could not be the top heading. Home loan, all features, comma comparison, comma couple of things, so that when users see that heading H1, he understood that what he is going to read in the article in comparison in total. Okay, so that should be there. Yes, Aditya, you can now talk about.
So, Jatin, I'm a bit confused. So, ये जो title और तीन headings हैं, all of them are for a particular page, or
Yeah,
are they for different pages? Like
it's
supposing
for a
I have
single
a
page. It's for a single page. We are doing SEO of a single page only here.
so like I have written this assuming this for a page wherein I am going to list down interest rates for various banks, comparison of
Hmm.
interest rate for various banks. So why should we be having so many titles? I mean, one title and then three headings. Title and headings are more or less same, na? I mean,
Title or heading would be similar, but title would be talk about home loan interest rate
hmm,
of from all banks. This could be your title, but heading would be more
hmm,
detailed about it, because in title you
hmm,
have a limitation of words,
hmm,
characters
hmm.
limit. But here in
Achha.
headings you don't have that great limitation over here. You can write up to 100
Hmm.
characters first. Second is
So,
heading defines what all,
hmm,
because on a page you will not just say these are the 10 companies and these are the interested by it, because people should know what are the eligibility for each of the bank, what are the limitations of each bank, who are eligible, how if we prepone it, let's suppose I want to close my home loan earlier, what is the processing fee? Every single thing should be there about that.
So it is more to do more of description. I mean, details of the particular page description.
Yeah. Otherwise, how a user will take a decision? Like
And,
if I have to take a credit card, I will Google it.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Any shows on a page? Where is the title? Title, so you told us, but where are the headings in a particular page?
I will show it to you. Like I have shown you the various examples. Okay, like 𝒆𝒂𝒂𝒏, if you open the 10 best credit cards, they have a form on the top to fill it. Okay, whichever their offer is. And then they explained the different banks, their annual fees, best suited for whom. And then they write about MX card, they write about Indian Oil card, they write about every single card in detail.
In this, what is the title and what is the heading?
The title, there are different titles in it. Okay. The first title is over here. The 10 best credit card in India 2020, where SBI and all is written. Okay. Then this is H1. If I inspect the element even. Okay. Show my screen here. H2, not even H1. Where is H1? Okay, this is H2. Okay, so you can see it is a part of heading. Then these bank individual card names would be another set of headings. Okay, which will be H2, H3 maybe. Yeah, they are.
Is it necessary to have all the three headings, H1, H2, H3, or maybe every page can have one?
You can have, it depends upon your article to be true. But if you have all of them, it's better. Okay, then you see different headings, different content. Know the purpose of your credit card and all. Okay, so this is how you should write.
So basically, one is page name. If you see here, the page name is top 10 credit cards in India. That is the name of the page. And then you have a title and then you have headings in the page.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah, this is the heading H1. Best credit card in India.
Acha, okay. So heading is something which is displayed on the page.
Yeah, heading is displayed on the page, whereas title is not.
Correct. And for naming the page, like here the page name was 10 best credit cards of India. Should we take something that also you should include keywords in this also? Top 10 credit cards in India, the page name. Top 10 credit cards in India. Should we add keywords in the page name also?
This is page name only. Yeah, you have to add. Otherwise, how page will become relevant?
No, I'm talking about not title, the page name. The page name, which is 𝒆𝒂𝒂𝒏.com/credit card/ top 10 credit cards in India.
I will come to that element.
Okay, thank
you. Okay. So next is the next about after headings is the keyword density. This is critically very important to understand the keyword density to be true, because what happens in keyword density is you start writing content. Okay, I have seen people writing a lot of content and keep writing it, but they don't realize whether if their content will be relevant to the user or not, whether it makes sense to user or not, it will be relevant for search engine or not. So to to identify even this is not 100% but this is one way of checking it is through keyword density checker. Okay, you can put your website URL over here, or you can select the second one, text, and do that. Okay, then add your custom keyword which you are targeting. Okay, which is your keyword on this page. Okay, and check the keyword density. This is an interesting article. Okay, you can see if you the way I have entered the keyword, it says the credit card or credit card is being repeated 94 times and 33 times. So you can imagine total number of words on this page. This is incorrect because it has more than 300 words. This tool is not working perfect. Let me try some other tool.